Ever thought about tackling your own home projects but felt overwhelmed by where to start? Meet the IBELL Professional Toolkit with Impact Drill, TD13100. This is not just any toolkit, this is the ultimate solution for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Imagine this, a 650W impact drill, armed with a 13mm keyless chuck and copper armature, all in one sleek, powerful package. Now add to that 115 essential accessories, and you've got everything you need to transform your space. Picture this. You're in your stylish, industrial chic workshop. The black and gold lighting sets the scene, and there you are, poised and confident, holding the IBELL Professional Toolkit. This kit isn't just about tools, it's about empowerment and precision. With this kit, you can assemble furniture, fix that leaky faucet, or even build that birdhouse you've always wanted. The power and versatility of the IBELL tools make these tasks not just achievable, but enjoyable. What sets IBELL apart? It's the focus on value, durability, and ease of use. These tools are designed to be reliable and practical, whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY novice. Let's talk about the star of the show, the TD13100 impact drill. It's powerful, efficient, and incredibly user-friendly. The copper armature ensures durability, while the keyless chuck makes your job easier and faster. And those 115 accessories? They're like the cherry on top, providing a complete solution for any project you can dream up. So why wait? It's time to unlock your home's potential. Whether it's a quick fix or a major renovation, the IBELL Professional Toolkit is your go-to companion. Head over to Amazon now and get your hands on the IBELL Professional Toolkit with Impact Drill TD13100. Start your DIY journey today and turn your dreams into reality. Remember, it's not just about the tools, it's about what you can achieve with them. Empower your inner maker with IBELL. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing DIY tips and product reviews. See you next time.